Right, everybody, time for an update. So I don't want you to think for one moment I've quit YouTube or I've stopped making videos or, you know, that I've just given up, because I've not. The Porsche is still going, she's still going strong. I've named her Ava. I felt like she needed a strong, classic German name, so she's called Ava. Now, we've got lots of parts in boxes ready to go onto the car. I've got audio to go into the car. We've got new head units, speakers, wiring, the lot. There's all sorts of bits and pieces waiting on the vehicle, but at the moment it's just time. I just don't have time. I've got a big event coming up. Myself and the Cars and Coffee team have been working on this for months, and it's in 2 weeks' time. And unfortunately, I'm having to dedicate every free moment I've got at the moment to that. There are repairs that have been done. There's work that's been done to the 924. But I haven't had the opportunity to edit the videos. There's a few bits on the Type R as well. So yeah, I just wanted to give everybody an update. You know, say we're still going ahead. It's still happening. It's just having the opportunity to crack on and edit the videos, because it's one thing to work on a car and to do it all, but it's another thing to actually sit down, edit, make the thumbnails, do the audio, everything. It's a lot of work. It takes a lot of time. So just bear with me. The car is running pretty spot on, apart from it broke again. Yeah, but otherwise it's running great. It's running really well, and it took me to my friend Sam's wedding, and got lots of nice comments, which is always good. But yeah, so hopefully if I don't see you before, I'll see you soon at Cars and Coffee, or I'd love to see you at the charity event at Cars in the Park. It's on the 15th of July. I will put a little poster up on screen. And yeah, please come along, come and say hello if you haven't met me before. I love meeting subscribers. It's always lovely to hear your thoughts on my car and your thoughts on my videos, but more importantly, I love to know what you guys drive. It's really cool to see what you know, the subscribers from my channel drive. It's always interesting. So yeah, please bear with me. We are working hard to get back on track, but at the moment 2 more weeks, and I've just got to focus on getting Cars and Coffee done, get the summer show done, and then I'll be back on editing, and we'll be back to it and back to our sort of regular scheduled maintenance. So thanks for watching, and like I say, just an update to let you know where we're at. I'll see you soon.